Here we are going to discuss one example problem based on the perpendicular and as well as the parallel. Now the question is if alpha vector is equals to 3 I cap minus j cap while beta is equals to 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap, then express beta vector in the form of beta vector is equals to beta 1 plus beta 2, where beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha vector and beta 1 vector is parallel to alpha vector. So this is the question. They gave alpha vector, beta vector, and we are asked to express beta vector in the form of beta 1 plus beta 2. The condition for beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha and beta 1 is parallel to alpha. So since beta 1 is parallel to alpha, we'll write it as let b1 is equals to t into alpha vector. This can be written as 3t into I cap minus t into j cap. Similarly, beta 2 vector is equals to beta vector minus beta 1 vector. This can be obtained as beta vector minus beta 2 will give rise to the value 3 minus 2 minus 3t into I cap plus 1 plus t into j cap minus 3 into k cap. While beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha, this can be written as beta 2 into alpha is equals to 0. As the vectors are perpendicular, their dot product becomes 0. So 2 minus 3t into I plus 1 plus t into j minus 3k dot 3I minus j is equals to 0. So when we take the dot product, it gives 6 minus 90 minus 1 minus t is equals to 0. Then we'll get a 5 minus 10t is equals to 0. Then we'll get it as a t is equals to 1 by 2. The next one is a beta 1 vector is equals to 3I minus j by 2. Then beta 2 vector is equals to, we'll get the value as 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into j minus 3 into k. So this can be written as by taking LCM I plus 3j minus 3k by 2.